confident in who I am and what I do. I am confident that the right job is coming to me at the right time. I know it sounds a little woo-woo, and those of you who remember Jack Handy from SNL, who looked in the mirror and said, I'm great, you know, and gosh darn it, people like me. Well, that dude became a senator. I know he's a little bit fallen now, but you know, this is for the people a little bit older, but like my friend back here, you were affirming that you're never gonna find something. That was an affirmation. So you want to affirm.
I was following it was how I feel. I still feel that way now. All these things you're saying, I agree with you, but all the questions you want us to answer, that's all my answers. That's what I
so
want
for
to do.
you
That's
specifically,
my
so for you specifically,
I'm going in a circle.
But for you specifically, right? So I said at the beginning that my specialty is helping people get unstuck. So we pinpointed for you where you're stuck. So you don't really need to do the other stuff, really.
But to me, to get out of that is to go back into it, you know what I mean? You understand?
But what I'm saying is the way that you're stuck in your job search. So we're not you know what you want to do.
Right.
But so what's blocking you? And we identified that it's your own affirmation, that you're not gonna find it is what's blocking you. So your affirmation now should be, I find a position and a company that's as good as what I had or better. I trust that the right opportunity, you know, with a company, I trust that the right opportunity with amazing people doing work I love is coming to me now. That's it. For you, that was where you were stuck. I also think if I talk to you longer, I could probably also identify maybe other things that maybe you're meant to be doing and stretching yourself and exploring. But we'll just keep it there.
Can I talk to you after?
Yes, or you can work with me. I'll do a little plug. So one-on-one, it's gonna time for a plug. So I can work with people one-on-one where I really sit down and I go through your whole history and I really dig in there and connect all the dots. And so if you book within the 10 days of today, you get a $50 discount on that. But also I know there's budget issues, whatever, but group coaching also is a way to work with me that's a lot more cost effective. Yes.